What's up, guys? Stefan, S&E's Garage. This is going to be a real quick, real easy, real fun install video using our 2021 Toyota Camry TRD. If you have an LE, an SE, or a TRD Camry with the base factory headlights without the running lights, you know that our blinker here doubles as a daytime running lamp and a blinker. I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to turn the lights on, I'm going to turn the blinkers on, we're going to look at exactly how these operate, and then I'm going to show you this neat, cheap modification you guys can do to enhance the look of the front of your car. So I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to turn the lights on. Now you'll see that with the lights on, your blinker here is basically on as a parking light. Now if we turn the hazards on or the blinker on, you'll see that they blink brighter. So now that you get how they work, this is basically a dual filament bulb. There's two different filaments. One is dim, one is bright. So what we have here are called LED switchback bulbs. These are from Lasfit. I'm not exactly sure how to pronounce it, but these are on Amazon. These are a error-free CAN bus bulb. They do not need resistors, and they will not hyperblink, and they're super easy to install. They're nice and bright, and they're going to enhance the look of our car. So now that you see how these operate, let's go ahead, let's pop the hood. I'm going to show you how to install these, and we're going to see how they operate. So that is the factory socket for your blinker bulbs. You're just going to get your hand under there and you're going to twist and pull, and we're going to do the same thing on that side. We went ahead, got this socket out, we're going to pull this bulb out, we're going to plug in our new one, we're going to do the same thing over there. Alright, so once you plug your bulb in, these are supposed to be no polarity bulbs. They should be able to work no matter what direction you install them, but I always like to install them and then turn on the blinkers to make sure that they work. So we're going to go ahead and do just that and make sure that it lights up, and as you see it does. So now we are going to go ahead and do the other side. We can go ahead and plug this in, we know it works. We're going to go over to that side and install that one. Now see, it's a good thing that we did that test because this one's plugged in and it did not work, and that's because we need to reverse the polarity. So to reverse the polarity, all you have to do is unplug it, flip it around, and plug it back in, and there you go. Wow, that's bright. Okay, so now we can go ahead, turn our blinkers off, put that back in. Alright, so as you saw, these blinkers work and they are super bright, but they also have a little bit of a party trick, and that's where the whole switchback LED comes into play. I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to turn the running lights on, and I'm going to show you what I'm talking about. So here we have the headlights on, and you'll notice that they now match the headlight color, and they are lighting up as an LED in I guess you would call it 6K. They're basically white with a hint of blue, and they match the headlights perfectly. Now when we put our blinkers on, you're going to notice that they do what's called switch back, and they switch to amber. So as you see, they blink amber, but they stay lit up white. Like I said, that's why they call them LED switchbacks. Real cheap, real easy mod. Enhance the look of the front of your car, especially at nighttime. And even during the day, these blinkers are super bright. I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to leave a link to these below. These will work, like I said, for any LE, SE, and TRD Camrys. I'm sure these fit other, Toyota models. Just do your research, make sure they work. If you guys do purchase them from the link below, the channel does get a small cut, and we are very appreciative of that. So please, if this video helped you, like, share, subscribe, and we'll see you next time.